Welcome back to another interesting video, guys. Today we are gonna do a battery charging test between Galaxy A50 and Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Both of these phones are coming with an 15 watts fast battery charging, so they are equal at this point, but Galaxy A50 is coming with an 4000 mAh battery, and on the other side Samsung S10 Plus is coming with an 4100 mAh battery, so it's not that much difference. Anyway, at the end of this video we'll see which one is faster. For this test I'm gonna use the original adapter for each phone, so no difference here. And okay, let's start the test. I'm just gonna put the power on. Okay, so the power is on. Both of these phones are starting from 0. I'm just gonna press start, and we're gonna check in 15 minutes to see if any of these phones are gonna take the lead. We got A50 on the left and S10 Plus on the right. Okay, so 1% already on A50, 1% on S10 Plus, and we're gonna come back in 15 minutes. Back again after 15 minutes, and we're gonna quick check to see what's the level of the battery. So we got 16% for A50 and 20% for S10 Plus. So S10 Plus already take the lead, and probably I'll put this on the fact that S10 Plus is coming with a much stronger processor with that Exynos 9820 on 8 nanometers. But the test it's not over, so it's just 15 minutes past since we start this video, and we're just gonna continue. So we're gonna come back in 50 minutes again. Okay, 30 minutes since we start this test, and we're gonna check again. A50 34% and S10 Plus 41%, so it's a difference of 7% between the phones. I just have to remind you that S10 Plus is coming with an 4100 mAh battery, the Galaxy A50 with 4000 mAh battery, so it's a little bit more on the S10 Plus, and the difference is like you can see right now, 8% now. And now we're gonna move with 30 minutes later, and after 60 minutes, 1 hour since we start this video, we have A50 at 63% and S10 Plus at 77%. So it's a difference of 14% between the phones, and seems that S10 Plus is just running away from A50, and would be interesting to see when this test would be over how much would be the difference between these phones. And I hope it's not going to be that much difference, but 14%, it's quite a difference. And now we're gonna move on end of this video, and we're gonna see the final results. And of course S10 Plus probably we're gonna win this test, but it would be interesting to see how much would be the difference between these phones. Back again after 1 hour and 34 minutes or 94 minutes, and let's have a quick check before the end of this test. And look at this, 94% for A50 and 97% for S10 Plus. Amazing comeback for A50. It's been a 14% difference between these phones since the test began. So all over this test has been 14% difference, and now look at this, it's just 2% difference after just 1 hour and 35 minutes. Amazing A50, it's pushing hard at the end to charge this phone, and it would be interesting to see if actually A50 is gonna be faster than S10 Plus. So we just have to wait another couple of minutes, and we're gonna come back with the final conclusions. Okay, so S10 Plus just hit 100% in 1 hour and 40 minutes or 100 minutes, and 97% for A50, which is a great result. It's a huge comeback. It's been a difference of 14% all over this test, but at the end Galaxy A50 came back very strong. And a couple of minutes ago, probably I would say that A50 is gonna beat Samsung S10 Plus on this charging test. So would be interesting to see after how many minutes A50 is gonna finish that charging battery. Okay, so the charging test is over now. We're gonna stop it, and we have a great result for A50 right here. It's just 8 minutes difference between S10 Plus and A50, and I have to say that both of the phones performs very great, and it's just one winner, and that is S10 Plus. Surprising that S10 Plus is coming with a bigger battery and seems to charge faster than A50. Anyway, A50 pushed very hard at the end to bring the phone to 100%, and I have to say it's amazing. And seems that A50 actually charged the phone very fast at the end and almost catch S10 Plus. And that being said, I hope this video was very helpful, and until next time, do not forget to subscribe.